What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be assembling the short block for Melissa's Chevy Sprint Turbo. We just received the crank back from the machine shop. They went through some things, made sure everything was good to go. So I've already got the rings in place. Gonna put the oversized bearings in now and start throwing this thing together. So even though the crank had just been reground for oversized bearings, we're still going to go ahead and check clearance with Plastigauge. So I've got the piston and rod just sitting on this side. We're going to put a little piece of Plastigauge here and see what exactly our clearance is. So number one rod checked out good. We're going to keep going and get these other pistons and rods in, and let's get this little engine assembled here. So there it is, all the pistons and rods back in. Alright, so got the cylinder head in place. We do have new valves in the head. So it's getting a few more accessories put on the engine. We did get a new oil pump for it. Got the cam caps all torqued down. Gonna get the rear main cap on there. Clutch should be coming in today. That's going to be a very interesting piece to show you guys. So we're just going to keep going here. Alright, so we got the valve cover all painted and installed with new gaskets, and it's looking pretty nice. And Mel just got her suspension order in, KYB struts and strut mates and all that, bellows, Bosch alternator. So that'll be nice. The suspension's never really been replaced with brand new parts, so should be a nice little treat. So 4-putt clutch, sprung clutch, thankfully. Stage 3. So that's going to pretty much wrap it up. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later. Cheers.